Soccer DBB number 159, and it's 2016 Topps Premier Gold. Teams on the right. Good luck, everybody. Last box I have of this for this week. I hope I have new ones next week. So let's end this last box with a boom. This is thick one. Alright, only one thick one. So a good chance at getting the moments, guys. Let's do it. Got base on the back. Is it numbered or not? First up is an insert. Wanyama for Tottenham. And this is not numbered, and it's going to Manchester United. Luke Shaw. There's Sergio. Alright, here we go. Come on, give us a... Ooh. Not give us a finger. Give us a good box. Damn finger. I hate this guy now. Really. Pull the finger. Pull the finger. We got Pogba. Menu. We got Negredo, Middlesbrough. No, it's not a moment. Arsenal. Would be nice if we get a black now. Zlatan. A black 101 would be nice, right? Come on. Insert Vincent Janssen. Ooh, the autograph. Dele Alli to 99, Tottenham. Dele Alli to 99 insert. Brilliance of the pitch. John Barnes. I first thought it was autographed, so two brilliants so short after each other. We got Diego Costa, number 299 for Chelsea. Everton. Still no auto. Please let us have one more case hit auto. Come on. Oh, not looking good unless this one. I don't think we get a case hit auto. We got a John Stones to 99 auto. Too bad. Man City is Sergio. Swansea. Arnautovic. And that does it for the break. I'm sorry. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.